Welcome back. In this video, we're looking at one of the most powerful productivity features in Tebis, background calculation. This lets you keep working while toolpaths calculate safely in the background without slowing down your system. When you start a background calculation, Tebis creates a duplicate of your CAD file behind the scenes. All toolpath computation happens in that duplicate, while you continue modeling, programming, or preparing the next operation in your main file. This separation means your active geometry is never locked or frozen. You can continue editing, organizing machining steps, or preparing the next job, whilst Tebis handles the heavy lifting elsewhere. To activate a background calculation, in your toolpath, execute calculation, you'll see the mask contains the parameter execute in the off screen. You can tick this box to activate. As we know, you can also start your calculation from the toolpath quick execute button, bringing up the same mask and the same execute in the off screen option. This can be done at any level of the toolpath. If we go ahead and execute this, you will see the toolpath represents a play button, and down the bottom is a status bar showing the calculation in the background. The advantage of this is you can calculate multiple toolpaths simultaneously also. Tebis doesn't force you to wait for one operation to finish before starting another. For example, you can calculate both of these toolpaths in the background simultaneously. You'll see a progress bar, drop-down panels for monitoring, and the familiar circle play icon indicating active toolpath calculation. These give you clear feedback on what's running and how long it may take. It's important to know background calculation respects all your area definitions, sorting rules, and toolpath strategies. Everything is processed exactly as if you calculated it in the foreground. Because background calculation runs on a separate CPU cores, your main Tebis session stays responsive. No lag, no slowdown, just smooth programming whilst the system works in parallel. Background calculation helps you stay productive, reduces downtime, and keeps your workflow moving. Whether you're calculating a single machining step or an entire job, Tebis ensures you can keep working without interruption.